What better way to answer the call of your faith than to teach? A parable that has been passed down through the ages comes from Matthew chapter 4, verse 19. The way my father told it to me was, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish, feed him for his life. My name is Nathanael, and I am currently an engineering major at APU, taking the first section of the Introduction to Computer Science with Dr. Aisha Chen. Today, the 30th of September, I will be covering Code.org. Code.org is a nonprofit with the mission to teach every student in every school, regardless of their background, about computer science. They want to do this as they believe computer science can offer life-changing and economic opportunities to students whether they pursue a career in technology or not, because knowledge of computer science will provide students with a critical lens to interpret the world around them. Code.org meets the call of the Catholic faith by teaching students a basic practical skill, expanding the knowledge of all groups, and ensures that the students have fun while doing it. This nonprofit is aimed at not just simply giving kids technology and homework to do, but they are also focused on teaching them how that technology works, how to be literate in code, how to critically think, and at higher levels they teach practical, applicable skills. Code.org does several things to ensure that these students learn. They have made courses that start as early as kindergarten and continue until the 12th grade, and they're all mainly focused on JavaScript. From kindergarten to 5th grade, students are learning the fundamentals of coding, such as loops, how to take input from a user, how to output to a user, how to solve problems, and how to apply their knowledge of math to code. Then from 6th to 8th grade, they have courses designed to teach web development, more mathematical functions, how to code basic games, how to diagnose issues in code, and they begin to introduce students to AI and machine learning. Then in high school, Code.org dives further into each previous topics and new ones such as cybersecurity. They also provide curriculum for those students taking AP Computer Science A. Another thing this nonprofit does to fulfill the call of the Catholic faith is to help the marginalized. Throughout the history of the Church, God has called Catholics to advocate for the marginalized and treat them fairly. For example, Exodus chapter 22 verses 21 to 23 does just that. Similarly, Code.org recognizes that women, ethnic minorities, and students qualifying for free lunch do not have the same access to learning computer science as the rest of society. Therefore, they have geared their programs to essentially target those groups while still providing resources to every student. On top of actively trying to diversify who they are teaching, they have trained over 120,000 computer science teachers to go around the globe and teach in over 180 countries and in over 67 languages to ensure that they reach all margins of society. Lastly, Code.org is not all business and fast-paced learning. They bring games and fun interactive projects to the table that students can enjoy, such as Minecraft, Angry Birds, Pac-Man, and more. Now this is important because God doesn't want us to be miserable. He wants us to enjoy what we do. By putting popular games into their curriculum, they are encouraging a love of computer science and a love for the students' community. In short, Code.org answers the call of the Catholic faith by teaching kids about computer science fundamentals, advocating for equal opportunities of the marginalized, and by engaging the students, they are creating a positive outlook on learning and a better spirit. That's it for this time. Please like and subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell and click all to receive all notifications. See you in class.